So this is the file room, and this is where, oh, there she is. So this is the file room, and these are the repair orders? So got repair orders here from, and you store these by the VIN number, right?
Yes.
And then there's more here. Close that, and then there's more arrows.
All down here and all around.
All that is repair orders.
Yep. Even on top.
On top.
Yeah.
And this is a friend looking for an arrow.
Yes.
That's gonna go away. What do you mean up top?
Like all these.
Oh, okay, all these boxes up here? Yep.
All these. All over.
So I'm here with Sam at a Nissan store in Ocala, and she's gonna show us how to scan the repair order with the new scanning system they got today. Load up the repair order, click on scan. We're using the new Fujitsu scanner that scans 70 pages a minute. We're gonna use the barcode technology that's on the repair order to read the repair order number so that Sam doesn't have to type it. And now if you click view, you'll see the contents of the RO, and anyone in the dealership can see the entire RO. So we just scanned the repair order with the barcode, with the new scanning system, with the new Fujitsu scanner. Thank you, Sam. You're amazing.